So hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Ade Ola Deus, and this is the GLIMS media. So I actually want you guys to follow through this video on how to make money from Jumia. All right, how to make money from Jumia. So first and foremost, you need to visit Jumia website, jumia.com.ng. Now jumia.com.ng, Jumia is actually a very big market place for online vendors. You understand? So you can see it now. I said Jumia is the #1 online shopping site in Nigeria. We are online store where you can purchase all your electronics and blah blah blah. So all you need to understand is that on Jumia there is a ready market. You understand? So if for example you have a product that you want to sell on Jumia, you can just go on Jumia and then list your products for sale, and then from there, because there's a ready market already, you could just list your product and then you start making what sales from Jumia easily. A lot of person make sales from Jumia easily, and they also pay Jumia some commission. You understand? And so you also get your own huge profit from Jumia. So all you just need to do is to take good pictures of your products and then you post them online. All right, but you just have to, this video is going to teach you how you are going to create an account with Jumia on Jumia, you understand, as a seller. All right, and then you start making your profits. All right, so basically, even if you don't have a product on Jumia, like you don't have a product that you are selling, but you have a friend who sells products at a very cheaper rate, you understand, compared to the price on Jumia, you can just get the person's picture, the picture of the person's products, and then you now list them on Jumia. All right, so basically let's start with becoming a seller. So you scroll down and see make money with Jumia. Is already there. Make money with Jumia. You can sell on Jumia. You can become a sales consultant. You can become a Jumia vendor service provider, become a logistics service partner, join the Jumia DA Academy, join the Jumia call program. This I've explained in my video on affiliate marketing. All right, so if you actually want to go into affiliate marketing, maybe you have a blog, you run a YouTube channel, you want to talk about Jumia, maybe for example they have a kind of sales coming up, you could just do a general view and then post it on your YouTube channel, and then people will get to use your link to buy on Jumia. All right, so you click on sell on Jumia. For example, sell on Jumia. If you want to sell on Jumia, for example, alright guys, so this is the page. So you click on start selling. So what you just need to do is to fill in your details. Right, you fill in these details. You see business, seller account, business information, bank account, and then summary. All right, so I'm gonna fill some of this information, but for you I want you to fill everything because this is just a tutorial course. All right, just to expose the secret to making money on Jumia with you. All right, shop name, I can just say Fashion Empire. I just hope this name is available. Alright, so I'm gonna fill all of these details. I'm gonna pause this video. Alright, you fill all of these details on your own. I don't want the video to be too lengthy. Alright guys, so you have to fill in all this information. Alright, you fill in this information, and then what's the next thing you just have to do is, let me ask you, if you're a business and all of that, how many staff do you have? I will choose 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is to continue. Alright, I'll click on continue. So now they are asking for my bank account. All right, my bank account, add your bank account, so that whenever someone make payments on the website, like buying your products, you can just add your bank account, your bank details. All right, so I want to refresh this. All right, let me click on continue. All right, so this is my seller ID, and this is my seller ID ng17tng. So I've been able to successfully register with Jumia as a seller now, so I can begin to sell a product on Jumia. All right, so my business information is there. All right, my bank account is there. My bank account has not been included. I think this is network issue or something, I don't know. I want to include my bank account. Let me refresh the page. I think there's an issue with the bank account aspect, because it's very important to include your bank accounts. Okay, it's very important. All those that sells on Jumia are human beings, you understand. Some of them do not have a shop, but they just upload their products on Jumia, and then you start making money from Jumia. All right, whether you have a product or you don't have a product, you understand. So once someone make an order, you just go and deliver. That's all. Start selling. Let me click on start selling. All right, for the sake of this call, they said thanks for signing up with us. An email has been sent to your email. Please click on the provided blah 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 to verify your email address. If you did not receive, okay, let me go to my email. Let me go to my email. Let me go to my email and check if, of course, they would have sent me a mail. It's very simple. Let me refresh. I'm not seeing a mail here. This network is a little bit poor. Alright, it's a little bit slow. Let me go to spam. Let me check my spam mails, whether it has been sent to me by okay, no spam message. Alright, let me refresh this. Alright, let me go to my promotions. Okay, it has entered. the mail is here already. Let me go to primary. Okay, under primary mail is not showing, but if I go to promotions, my account is a message from Jumia. Alright, so getting started with the seller center. Alright, let me go back and click on verify your email and finish your registration on the seller center. Alright, so let me click on this to verify my email. Can you see it now? So all I just have to do now is to insert my email address. This course, please take it very serious. You can make money from Jumia from any part of the world, you understand, and then you'll be making your money from time to time. All right, so log in. I'm going to log in now. Alright, so this is my seller center, my seller dashboard. You understand? This is my seller dashboard on Jumia. Can you see it now? So all I just have to do now is to, you see, GLIMS Fashion Empire. Alright, so I just have to create a new product. If I want to create a new product, to know how many orders I have, to know promotion, you know, if I want to promote, if I want sponsored products, you understand. If I want to promote a product on Jumia, like I want my product to go viral, I'll pay for it anyway. Settings, you know, your profile, and let me see, let me check my profile. I want to check my profile. Okay, because I know I've not included my bank details. It's very important. So all I just have to do now is to include my bank details, my bank accounts. You know, my bank is Guarantee Trust Bank. All right, account name, all right, account number, alright, bank code. You can always check for your bank code if you want to, but I think there's no need for all that. IBN, Swift, bank information, all of this, I don't think they are very important. No, Swift, you can just check online. The bank where you register, you get your Swift code, you understand. So save. Now Jumia has an e-contract that you can download to know the agreements, how much you'll be getting paid and all of that. So it's very important to get to know all of these things. Alright, so this is just how to create an account with Jumia online. Very simple. This video is very simple, straight to the point. Alright, so you can just create a new product. Alright, click on create a new product. Alright, can make money on Jumia, alright, as a seller. So find it on Jumia, you understand. So if so, create, enter product name or Jumia SKU. So I can just, if it is not in Jumia's catalog, just create a new product. You see it now. And what category is your product? Is it baby product? Is it fashion? Is it grocery? Is it health and beauty? You understand? Is it my network is a little bit bad, that's why this thing is loading so slowly. All right, so so this is just how to create like a seller account on Jumia. So if I click on fashion, for example, now it may ask me for sub, like what category of fashion is it, and you see it now, costumes and accessories. Is it luggage, men's fashion, shoes, jewelry? So you have learned importation now, so you should be able to create an account on Jumia even if you don't have an e-commerce website. All right, so I could just say jewelry, shoe. All right, so let me just click on clean and care. All right, then I select. Okay, I move to the next one. So it's very simple. So please guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ensure that you do that. GLIMS Media, ensure you subscribe to my new channel. So you name your product, your brand, the model. If you want to do that, you add those things and then enter just all of these things. Follow, interact with the website, like follow what they are asking you to do, you understand, and then be sure to watch to get results from Jumia. You understand it now. So Jumia is actually a very good platform for you to sell your product and make money online. So if you have any question to ask, you can actually ask your question right? I'm always available to answer your question online, so you can make money on Jumia as a drop shipper. If you're a drop shipper, for example, you want to sell ring lights, you have no persons that actually sell ring lights at a very cheaper rate, you can list the product on Jumia and then you begin to market it. Do you understand it now? So it is only when payment has been made, I mean when the delivery has been made to their office, you'll be paid. You understand? So that is just the way it works. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. All right.